Number 1. Serial Monitor Activity. What it is. The serial monitor is a tool in the Arduino IDE that lets you see the data sent from your microcontroller in real time. Difficulty: understanding how to use the correct bound rate and print values clearly for debugging. Where you can use it: to check sensors, readings, debug programs, and observe communication between Arduino and sensor. How to do it: open Arduino IDE, Tools Serial Monitor, use serial begin 9600 in setup, use serial print or serial print in loop to display values. Observe the output and analyze the data. Number 2. Ultrasonic Sensor Activity. What it is. A sensor that measures distance using sound waves. Difficulty: getting stable and accurate readings due to wrong wiring or surface reflection. Where you can use it: for obstacle detection, parking sensors, and distance measuring device. How to do it: connect VCC to 5V, GND to GND, trig to a digital pin, and echo to another pin. Use the pulse in function to read the echo pulse. Convert time into distance using the formula distance duration 0.0343. Display the result on the serial monitor on an LCD. Number 3. IR Proximity Sensor Activity. What it is. A sensor that detects nearby objects using infrared light reflection. Difficulty: adjusting sensitivity and avoiding pulse reading due to ambient light. Where you can use it: in automatic doors, line following robots, and motion detectors. How to do it: connect the VCC, GND, and output pins to Arduino. Use digital read to detect object presence. Adjust the potentiometer on the sensor for proper sensitivity. Display object detected or no object on the serial monitor. Therefore, DC monitor with MOSFET activity. What it is. A setup using a MOSFET transistor to control power to a DC load like a motor or LED. Difficulty: understanding gate control and ensuring proper current flow without overheating. Where you can use it: it for speed control, light dimming, or switching high-power devices. How to do it: connect the MOSFET drain to the load, source to ground, and gate to an Arduino PWM pin. Use analog right pin value to vary speed or brightness. Run a resistor at the gate for safety. Monitor performance using the serial monitor. 5. DC monitor with H-breed activity. What it is. A motor driver circuit that allows a DC motor to rotate forward or backward. Difficulty: controlling the direction without shorting the circuit. Where you can use it: in robot, remote control vehicles, or any project needing reversible motor motion. How to do it: connect the motor to the H-breed output. Connect input pins of the H-breed to Arduino digital pin. Use code to set up one pin high and the other low to move forward, then reverse for backward motion. Use PWM to control speed.
We also learned how to connect the wirings correctly and fix errors in our code. There were times it was hard, but we learned to be patient and to help each other as a team. Now that we've finished all our activities, here's our conclusion and reflection about what we've learned in this course. Through this course, we learned how different sensors and components work together using Arduino. We got to see how each part, like the ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, and DC motor, help make systems work.
In the future, overall, this experience helped us understand more about technology and inspire us to keep learning about robotics. This robotics journey made us appreciate how technology can make our lives easier. We realized that robotics is not just about mechanics, but also about using creativity and problem solving to make new ideas